Alright, good afternoon people, what up? Just going out for a ride. It's my day off. I just got bored staying home, so I'm going to the second largest lake of Japan. That's very close to my place. It's 1 hour 26 minutes ride, 62k, and I've been there twice before. It's gonna be a nice good ride, hopefully. It's very hot, very humid, very hot, very sticky, but yeah, let's have a bit of a fun day and try to come back early. It's already, I forgot to wear my watch today. It's already past 2, I reckon, but yeah, I got more footage on the way. Cheers. Okay, just past one of the main traffics around my area. Traffic's okay so far. Hopefully it'll be smooth all the way, but I'm gonna catch one of the, like, it's kind of a busy kind of motorway, a lot of trucks, and because it's already past 2, lot of the early workers are gonna be on their way back home, so it might be a bit of a busy traffic, I reckon. Let's see how it rolls. I'm only gonna be taking footage of I'm only gonna be taking footage of a few places on my way. Then I'll show you a bit of around the lake. Lake's very beautiful. I've been there twice, like I said. Yeah, and my missus too, she loved it as well. It's the second largest lake. Kasumigaura is the name. It's also a bay as well. Could show you our lake here, but yeah, it's quite far, can't see it from the camera. So yeah, I'll get more footage later. Right, so this is the motorway. I'm gonna be turning right, 32 k's to Tokyo from here. Taking right, it's gonna be a bit of everyone. She kind of confused me as well. Yeah, this is how you turn right on the motorway. Come on, mate. I got lucky. Look at the dinosaurs up there. So yeah, so this is Route 6. That's the motorway I'll be taking today. Route 6, all the way, I think. No, not all the way. After a while, I've gotta turn left, go under the Route 6, and get to the other way. I'll give you away, my mate. Come on. I'm not in a hurry, so I don't mind. Anyway, I'm on a motorcycle there. I can just right, and yeah. So like it says, doesn't say Chichira, yeah? Yeah, Chichira, 34k. So I'll be at the other side of Chichira, going to the other side. I forgot the name of the place. What's the price of petrol today? I didn't get to check it. This is Route 6. When I was doing like a handyman job, I used to take this route for work. It was like 30 minutes away from my place to my work, and this was the route I used to take. And this kind of brings me those memories, especially because I was working on summer. It was terrible around then. I was working like a handyman, so I was doing all sort of jobs, fixing cars, not really fixing it, but working on cars, gardening, cleaning, cutting bamboo trees, you name it. Yeah, and mainly did it to get some cash so that I could do something with the motorcycle. But anyway, it didn't really help me that much. But yeah, I'll get some more footage later. It's going to be a bit of a traffic for a while, and then once it's a good smooth flow, then I'll get some more footage. Turn left, 400 meters. Thank you. That should be there, I reckon. Enjoy, I think, yeah, that's what I'm taking. Enjoy. Right. Finally, a bit of, it's gonna be a bit. Underneath Route 6. Route 6. Too many diversions, man. Too many diversions. I nearly went through the red light. That was no good. Oh yeah, okay, makes sense now. I'm gonna be riding next to the Tone River. I think it's gonna take me all the way next to the Tone River, all the way to the lake. I'm gonna find a solution to fix this noise problem. If anyone has anything they would recommend, then please let me know. It's a bamboo forest. I've done this job. Cut the bamboos. The river. Finally, you can see the river. This is the Tone River. Tone. It runs all the way down to the Pacific. I don't know if it touches the Pacific, but I think so. Alrighty, that was fun. Wind hitting my face. Gotta figure out where I am. I've gotta leave a landmark as well. This is kind of new for me. Turn left, okay. So Tone River, this one here, right next to me. I'm gonna cross it right now. So the beginner is gonna turn right. I'm gonna be turning left. Oh, slippery. Turn right in 300 meters, which should be right after the bridge. So I'm gonna stay on the right lane. Oh, I don't have a double lane, so just stay towards the right. Right out, right here. Oh, look at these shiny trucks. Shiny, shiny. Matsunaga. Damn, the bridge is shaking. Thought it was an earthquake for a while. Too heavy for the bridge, those trucks. Is this the one that goes to the Hitachigawa, is it? Maybe that's the one. Alright, anyway. It's alright. New place again. Where should I be going? Okay, slight right. Again, next to the river. It's gonna just take me to the place, that's all I care. So the river is gonna be all the way. Oh, look at this. Too narrow for 2 cars. Is that so? Oh, that should be alright. Cheers, bros. Smells like freshly cut grass. Someone's cutting grass around here. Oh yeah, there you go. Freshly cut grass. Look at that jungle. Look at that jungle. Okay, he's saying go, 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 go now. I really need to stick my GoPro on my helmet, I think. It's like, come on mate, get on with it, Hayaku. Cheers, thanks brother. Freshly cut grass. Reminds me of summer in Nepal. When you're traveling or when you're riding through those, we call it khet there, rice paddy fields. You know, still find a nice river. Oh, come on. That's a nice house, man. I couldn't get the footage. Bloody these houses are... That should be rich from like a really long time ago. Gaungko mukhia ba. Small shrine on the land. I like. Seriously, feel like I'm not even in Japan. Man. Seriously. Look at these houses. I reckon there should be some. We don't have much snakes here in Japan. I like really Google it, like the top dangerous animals in Japan to be aware of. They don't really have that. The one that's really poisonous is down in Okinawa. I forgot the name, and the other one is poisonous, but it's not really that aggressive. So it's like very rare for it to like attack you. But you have like a giant centipedes here. These centipedes are like, it's not a joke, they really bite. They sting you. They sting you. Stingy. Like a stingray. And then, look at them. Look at him. He's enjoying it. Are you enjoying, brother? I'm enjoying flying too. But I'm flying in a different way. Anyway, it's gonna follow me. And then you have the Japanese hornets. They are big, they're massive. They kill if you get a lot of, if you get stung by a lot of them. They kill. What else was it? They have a spider, but that's also like really like up in the forest and stuff. They have bears, the Asian bears, that's a bit dangerous. They have wild boars, but only like certain area, certain places. They have wild boars, and then that's it. This is fun, this one. That's why it was very, it was 20 minutes. There you go. Bloody car. Oh, look at this. We're still next to the Tone River. Okay, we're going to turn left from here. We're very close to the place now. I reckon maybe another 15 minutes. Nah, maybe 20, man. Itako! Kessa! I think I'll be going Kessa! bit more footage later. I think it's gonna be a bit of like a city now, or maybe not, or maybe it is, or maybe not. Okay, Namegata. I think that's right. Yeah, I will. Don't hurry. Damn, that was a good, I don't know what, 20 minutes quiet ride for me. It's so noisy. I couldn't even hear the navigator. She was just speaking something. I don't know what she said, but it just made sense. Luckily, I just kind of checked the signboard as well. So yeah, I made it till here. Shouldn't be that far now. And I reckon it's already 3:03, I think. So don't want to spend too much time. Just maybe half an hour or something. Get something to drink from the vending machine and a bit. And I'm on my way back again. Because the clouds are. It's okay here. It doesn't show rain today, but yeah, maybe down to Kasumigaura it might rain. Who knows? There you go. We at the spot. Let's have a look how it is here. Namegata. So this is Namegata, small. It's like a small, like a town just next to the lake. But I've only been to the front side. I don't know the front or back, whatever. But I've only been to the other side of the lake, which is Chichura. That's the name of the place, Chichura. This is Namegata. That's the name it was. And this is Namegata, this is the other at the back, and we are very close to the Pacific. If I go down that way, down south from, then it's Pacific. The lake's very big, that's why it's the second largest lake. Japan, I'll put some descriptions about the lake there. We are very close to the lake. I'll show you the lake. My destination is here. See. That's it. This is it. This is where I came. That's the lake. Last time I was somewhere around there, I reckon. If I'm here, yeah, somewhere around there maybe. All those, yeah, it's there. I was there last time. Staying that side. But alright guys. Oh, that was a nice ride. I'm here, really nice and peaceful. Some people are they parked the car and they're just taking a nap or something. They look like they're taking a nap. It was so hard to find a vending machine. If you're here, this side, I forgot the name of this side, this park's name. But if you're here, they don't have a vending machine, so you better get something on your way before you reach here. So I actually had to get on my bike and go all the way back again. There's a laundry shop nearby, and then I found a vending machine. Got myself something to drink. Hydrate. It's nice weather. It's nice weather. I've got like 8 minutes footage left on my GoPro, so I won't be taking much videos. Gotta take this out now and then them too. Let's go for a quick walk. I won't be taking any footage on my way back, so just show you around then. But yeah, that's all the way at the back. You can see some hills, scuba hills. Excuse me. Right here are these fizzy drinks, eh? And I think you're allowed to do fishing here. I think so. You have that, and then you also have a place where you can sit down and cool your legs off, which is I don't think this one here is it. That should be there. I saw something like that. I don't know what's here. Definitely not a place to cool down your legs. It's bloody dirty, full of look at that, too many insects. Dragonflies. Yeah. Peaceful, eh? Peaceful. Feels nice to be out to places like this. Okay, I'll make sure I put my key with me. Yeah, that's alright. This is more like oh no, it's like I said, it's a bay, so I don't know if you would swim. Yeah, this is more like a, I think they made it for, I forgot, it was for some reason, fishing and something, anyway, agriculture and all those things, man-made. Hills all the way down there. If you get on train, you end up there mainly, all the way down there. There are like tall buildings. I don't know if you can see it on the camera. You get down there, and then you walk all the way around the corner. There's a very nice park there as well. On my other channel on YouTube, which is under my name, I've done I've done a vlog for a day from my place to here, to Jura there, sorry, on train ride vlog. Yeah, on that video you can see we've been there, me and my missus. They've got some other places around there, so if I keep going straight the way I came through, and then I'll end up to, there's another small town all the way down there can't see through the camera, I think, but it's like a big water tank. And then what do you do? They have a nice like a place where you could stay for a night or day or two or something. And yeah, that's it. People cycling should be a good place to cycle. Oh yeah, this is it. This is the place. Oh fellas, looks like they're going home now. I don't think it's gonna rain. It looks like it's gonna rain. But yeah, nice, beautiful ride. Had fun. Maybe I'll sit down for like 20 minutes or something, and then I need to start heading back home. It's getting dark now. It's not that I don't like dark either, but just that it's 3:45 now. So yeah, it's gonna be like a rush hour soon. No, yeah, rush hour is gonna be terrible. But I'm thinking to take the same route that I took on my way here. That way I won't be catching a lot of traffic. But yeah, this is it. I'll put the description in the description. I'll write the name of the lake. The name of the lake you've heard. The park, sorry, and everything. A bit of info, and then yeah, that's it. Another day, another productive day on my day off. Yeah. Nice black clouds there. Gotta look for it. It's moving quick. Get out from here. But it's big. Second largest lake of Japan. Kasumigaura Bay / lake. All the way that way down to the Pacific. There's like, and then there's a bit of a gap. There's another lake around that corner side, which is my next target, next destination. Not today, next day off, sometime later. All the way down, and then after there's a start of a Pacific Ocean. Anyway, guys, yeah, that'll be it. Just need to sit down in peace for a few minutes, or at least half an hour. Alright, catch you later. Alright guys, time to go home. Turn dark. Just gonna go out near my home, and then this is a nice ride. Turn dark, not just that. Might rain soon, so see you later. Peace.